philosophy. So one thing what classical yoga teaches that consciousness is not creation of the matter. Consciousness is not like neurochemical reactions. Consciousness is the symptom of the self. So it's not like that there's some chemical reactions and they create the life according to yoga philosophy. But yoga philosophy says it's opposite. Yoga philosophy says that actually consciousness makes matter move. So instead of neurochemical reactions creating consciousness, like chemical reactions, like sometimes people say it like yoga philosophy says that it's opposite way, that actually consciousness make these neurochemical reactions happen. and in that sense life was before the matter according to yoga philosophy. Do you understand this? Like sometimes it's example science sometimes teach that it's opposite way, that there was matter first and then life evolved from the matter. But yoga philosophy says that there was life first and there's also life after matter. You understand? It's not that when these chemical reactions stop, which means that body breaks down and we die, that consciousness is still going on in some other form, somewhere else, but it still exists. It doesn't stop. Life doesn't stop when the matter stops. That's yoga philosophy. Consciousness, tietoisuus. Yeah. So that it's and what is the difference between self and consciousness from yoga point of view, or soul and consciousness? Yoga philosophy says that they are, one says they are one and one says they are different. Like, can you still follow? Yes. So that consciousness is the symptom, effect of the self. It's a little bit same way that wet and water, one says they are one, isn't it? We even use it same way. If it's raining, then you say I got wet, but it means that there's water in your clothes or your body. But we use it as but one is cause and one is effect. So water is the cause and wetness is the quality of the water. You understand? They are one, but one is kind of original. You can't separate these two, wetness and water. Water is always wet, even when it's ice or steam, it's still wet. Same way conscious, self is always conscious. It's the quality of the self to be conscious. So, but self is the substance, self is the cause, and consciousness is still the effect. But you can basically use it as a synonym so that it means same. Can you follow this idea? It's a little bit like wet and water. We use it same way. People understand if we speak about wet. We don't speak about water. They understand that okay, there's wet at least some extent. Do you have any questions? Finished. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thanks.
Tiedätkö, hei, on yksi kysymys. Tiedätkö,